FORTAPS, leader in the design, manufacture and marketing of plastic ribbed inserts. Its products are made from top quality, non-toxic virgin raw materials. All 100% recyclable, long-lasting materials. Care for the environment is another of the principles on which FORTAPS strategies for development are based. Cutting-edge technology enables the firm to achieve maximum efficiency. One example is its commitment to solar power. Its roof-mounted photovoltaic installation generates 60% of its energy. The heat produced by the machines is also used for climate control in the plant, cutting electricity consumption to a minimum. Workplaces are also designed with the well-being of the workforce in mind. Spacious, with natural light, quiet, and with perfect climate control. FORTAPS, a company wired to the future.